Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making eggless sponge cake. Sponge cake is a fabulous basic cake which is a bit more spongy as compared to other varieties of cakes. It may be served on its own or may be served topped with a dollop or slice of ice cream as a fabulous after-meal dessert. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees to make this delicious cake, and grease a cake pan with cooking oil or melted butter. Also line the bottom and sides of pan with parchment or butter paper. Put a sieve on top of a bowl, and add 1½ cups maida, that is all-purpose flour, into it. Sift flour so that there are no lumps in the flour. Keep it aside for a while. Add 1 cup of dahi, that is plain curd or yogurt, into a large bowl. Add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar into it, and mix manually or use an electric beater to mix until all of sugar is well dissolved and mixture is smooth. Now add 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon baking soda into curd mixture. Stir to mix well until everything is well combined. Leave it for 5 minutes or until bubbles start to appear on surface and mixture rises. Now add in 1/2 cup of melted butter into curd and sugar mixture. Also add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence into it. Stir gently until mixture is homogeneous. Gradually start adding in sifted flour while mixing constantly. Add just 1 tablespoon at a time and mix it well into mixture before adding another. Continue to add in flour and mixing it until all of flour is added and mixed well. Mix until smooth and lumps-free batter is obtained. Pour batter into prepared pan. Run a rubber spatula on top to even it. Also tap the cake pan few times on your slab so as to get rid of air pockets if any. Bake in preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 50 minutes or until an inserted skewer comes out clean from center of cake. Remove pan from oven and allow cake to rest in pan itself for 10 to 15 minutes, then unmold and remove parchment or butter papers also from all around. Let cake cool down completely to room temperature. Before slicing, enjoy. We hope that you liked the recipe. Please write your views in comments column below for sure. Your feedback really means a lot to us. Thanks.